At ADAC Automotive, we are a supplier of exterior door handles, interior door handles, anything that is molded, painted, and assembled. A lot of embedded electronics in our products. Taking a look at our whole organization, we discovered some things that, boy, we really needed to improve. That's where L2L came in and provided us the flexibility that we needed.
Continuous improvement is the name of the game. Automotive is so tight, so competitive that we just must be the best. L2L provides that means of ensuring that our activities out there on the floor are conducive towards that end. That competitiveness, being the best that you can be, that's what L2L is doing for us.
PM systems I've used in the past, it's paper-based. You fill it out, turn it in, it gets filed. No one ever sees that piece of paper again. Being digital, it saves a ton of time on the analysis of problems.
Now the technical team has their tablet with L2L on it, and they can walk to their area and do whatever they need to do on the tablet through L2L, and they can get it through their email, they can get it on an app on their phone, and that's really making the biggest difference. We're more connected using L2L than any other system we've used in the past.
A lot of the guys like it better because it's really user-friendly, it's real-time. They have the ability to pull up previous PMs and CMs, so it puts a lot more knowledge in their hands, and there in turn gives them more power to do their job. It's all at their fingertips all the time.
My team on the floor, they're using L2L. They're using the same data set as my managers are using, as well as what I'm using, as well as corporate. Prior to L2L, everyone kind of had their own pockets of information that they used to manage and understand what the opportunities were. Now with L2L, we have one common data point that all of us can get into, all of us can see and understand. Over the past 6 months, we here at Keating Assembly Operations have been able to increase our OEE by 15 percentage points. And we've actually been able to drop our PMs required per week by 26%. All of that adds up to business-changing impacts that are very beneficial to ADAC as we move forward.
I wouldn't want to go back to the way things were before now that I'm using L2L. I like how everything is automated. It's not manually initiated by a supervisor or manager. It's pretty streamlined. I think the L2L is the way to go.
A lot of programs and software out there drives you down one path and solves one issue. And we started with a target of 4 or 5 business processes, and today we do over 50. Those opportunities have gone well beyond what we ever thought we could do.
There's a ton of opportunity that we haven't witnessed yet, but I can really see where this thing could go and the engagement of our workforce at the technician level, the team leader level, and even the operator level, and just understand what it is they need to be successful, and when they're successful, we know that we are going to be successful as a company.
I couldn't be more excited for the group as we go forward to learn and grow, and that's what it's all about, is getting better all the time. It's part of our culture, so we're very excited about where we can go with L2L.